Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing assets. Import the video and any audio tracks into Finzar immediately, because timing depends on the source. Once done, add existing subtitle files if you have them and set the project frame rate to match the video, 24 or 30 frames per second. Make sure you choose the correct language and encoding, since that affects spell check and automatic alignment. Next, enable waveform view and auto-detect speech to start aligning captions quickly and accurately. You now align and polish captions step by step. Use the waveform and auto-align feature to snap cues to speech, then play back short segments to confirm timing. While aligning, edit text for readability and apply a style template, font, size, color, and safe margins so captions remain consistent. Also check read speed and line length limits, split or merge cues where needed, adjusting times by frames or milliseconds to avoid overlaps. Once comfortable, run a quick quality pass with captions visible. You finish by exporting. Choose SRT or VTT for separate captions, or burn-in for hard-coded subtitles, and set encoding and timebase to match delivery specs. After export, preview the file in the intended player or device to confirm sync and formatting. If captions drift or characters break, reopen the project and adjust global cue offsets or rerun auto-align on problematic sections, then export again. One key troubleshooting tip. If all cues shift, change the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.